Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Soleil. I am doing project share number 2 with the items I have received from Cobeads. I will have all of the item links down in my description area. This is a collaboration video, but please do go have a look at their website because they have provided you guys with a discount code, which is also down in the description area. So I have received a lot of these beautiful, wonderful, pretty goodness, and I have been working away. So let me show you what I was able to make with all of these. So first off, I started off with this one here. Now in this DIY kit, there were these plastic chains and they weren't joined, but this is so easy to join, you guys. At first, I was like, how am I supposed to join this? But then I found this little cut bit there, and all you have to do is just put it in like that. And it slides in so smoothly. And I thought that if you use these bits you can use a large jump ring and dangle things, it'll be really wonderful to include in tag flips. So I started playing around with that one first. And because I also received this lovely iridescent star lollipop, I thought this color and this chunky chain part go so nicely together. So I had a tag flip in my head for future that's, which I could add these pinky bit on. So I made this one here. It's nice and simple. All I did was use a large jump ring, and then I have also used the hot pink jump ring that I got from Cobeads, adding 2 of these plastic key, which also comes in this DIY kit. Then I made this dangle using the raspberry cluster acrylic bead and also this pearlescent one from this DIY kit. And I also have used these 2 from this kit as well, and I really love how light it is, and it's very, very pretty. So that was the first thing I made. And then I am making a bunny journal for March, you guys. There's a hashtag monthly journal share, which I'm co-hosting with Marian's Craft Corner. And so I made this bunny one. And so this is a very simple one. This pinky silky tassel also comes in this DIY kit. I have used up all of the tassels that comes in here. And I added the little tiny bunny charm with the tassel onto the hot pink jump ring, and then added it to the other dangle piece that I have made here. And this one I made using the beads from here, these cracked glass looking ones, and also these bead spaces in here. Then I added another hot pink jump ring and then added it to this clasp here, and it's going to be very, very nice dangling on a bunny journal. So there's that one. And I have made some more dangle pieces. Now these ones, I have no idea where I'm going to use it yet, but I was playing around with the set of different beads from this kit, which does provide you with many variety of the pinky beads. And I chose these 2 from this kit, the little tiny cracked glasses from my collection, but I've used the tassel and the key and these 2 from this kit right here. And so here is a lovely dangle I can use for any kind of project. So there's that one. And let me just put it here so you guys can see as well. There's that one, and then there's this one here. And then I also used the heart bead that was also in the kit. So everything on here is from the kit except for the eye pin, you guys. So I did that one. And then I did this combination here using this one and that one from the kit. And that one is the separate raspberry cluster bead I got. And then I used the hot pink jump ring at the bottom here and then hooked it onto this cloth pom-pom here, which is from my collection. So I've done that. And then remember I got a whole lot of these lovely acrylic cabochons, you guys. So these, you can use them as embellishments just as is. But if you add a clear bail, which is from my stash, I glued on a clear bail to the acrylic cabochons to make it a charm. So I can simply add a jump ring or like a light chain onto that hole there and then include it in many different projects. So I wanted to show you how easy and simple it is. You just have to glue a little bit onto the clear bail and then add it, and you won't know that there is a bail behind these cabochons. So I did that to these as well. And if you go visit the Cobeads, they have cabochons, so many different cabochons and beads and charms and jewelry findings. Everything you need is at their website. Then I made this cluster here. Now this one I am thinking of adding to my bunny journal, but I'm really not sure if I'm going to be adding a chunky one like this or a simple one like this. But I wanted to play around with this adorable bunny charm I received from Cobeads. And then I also have received this daisy one here. So the bunny and the daisy go so nicely together. And the fact that I'm also going to be making a daisy journal this year as well, that's why I made this dangle also. So I've added like this crystal heart, which is from my collection. But then with this one, instead of using just the pink colors, I have added this lovely, oh my gosh, I love this, you guys, this confetti bead here. Let me put some on my hand to show you. I absolutely love this, you guys. It is just so, so pretty. So I use those to mix in with my pinky beaded dangles. And it just looks so great together. See there? And then I have also made this dangle here. Now this bunny bead comes in the DIY kit as well. It's very, very sweet. And I've added 2 of this bunny charm onto this as well. But this one, I used 1 hot pink jump ring and then hooked on the tassel and the charm together. So it actually sits nicely together like this. And I am really loving this combination, you guys. I think it's so, so pretty. So let me find my very top. I added this clasp onto the hot pink for the entire dangle, but it just looks so nice from any direction, really. I really love how this turned out. So there's that one. And then I couldn't stop there. I had this Bulldog clip. And this is like a mini size Bulldog clip. And so I used the hot pink jump ring. I added my gold chain onto the hot pink jump ring and then started adding the beaded dangles that I have made. So some are wire wrapped, some are not. I have added this from my collection. These ones are all from the DIY kit. This one here, the stripy one, is from DIY kit. Then I have used 3 of the raspberry cluster beads onto this one. And then I have received a set of lollipop in mixed color. So I added a pink one onto here. So this will be nice to add onto a packaging or to a mini clipboard or to add onto the journal spine. And I really love this cluster as well. So pretty. And then because I made these, because I added these bails onto the acrylic cabochons, I really wanted to use the magic potion, the rainbow potion bottle. So I created this dangle here. And then I picked off the red and the greens and the blues from this bottle color and added a red lollipop and a green lollipop. And also made some blue dangles using my bead stash and also using the confetti beads from Cobeads. And I really love how this dangles all together as well. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that colorful? So pretty. So pretty from any direction, really. So this will be a really nice gift as well for someone that loves rainbow or really you can add this to any project. I really have enjoyed using all of the varieties that I have received. So make sure you guys go visit Cobeads if you need some new products, or if you're searching for something, I'm pretty sure Cobeads would have it. So these are all of the wonderful goodies I received, and thank you Cobeads for sending me these items to create with. Thank you so much everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.